In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to set up Geonix residential proxy on Tun2Tap and connect it on your Android. So do well to watch this video till the end. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any update. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to my Geonix website. So don't forget, I'll drop the link in the description or comment section so that you can register. And you can also use the discount code so that you get discount when buying your proxy. So here's my site. So all I need to do, I'm going to log in and I'll be generating the proxy. So let's see, there is a residential option, residential order. I click on this, not mobile. You can see from down, we have IP version 4 order, IP version 6 order, ISP order, mobile orders, residential order. So I'm clicking on residential order. So the next thing I'm going to do is just go down. I'll go down. So all I need to do now is just generate IP address. Which IP do I want to generate? Let me just generate a UK IP. UK. I'm giving it the name UK testing. So it's very easy. It's just for testing. Understand? You can also generate US. We have United Kingdom, we have United States, which you can generate for US. Any state you can generate proxy. So this one I just want to use US as an example. I already gave it a name, US UK testing. So I'll generate for England as region. So I just go to any of the, and just select Manchester and just select any of the server. Then I just connect IP ports, login and password. So all I need to do is just create. So I'm creating the proxy. So just watch as I'm doing. So it's very easy. So this IP now will be added. Alright, you see it has been added now. UK testing. You can see here's it. Here's the that is login and password. Here's the login and password. So it's very easy. So this is how to go about it. It's not difficult to generate IP from your Geonix. So from here I'll be doing a video on node marvins as well. How to connect your node marvins. So it's very easy. It's not hard. So all I do is just come here and just copy this. Let me just copy from here first. So the next thing I will do now is just go to my work environment and go to Tun2Tap. Here's the Tun2Tap app. So this is the Tun2Tap. So all I do is just connect. Just come here. So before I go further, if you are new here, please just show some appreciation by subscribing this channel, please. Subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any update. You understand? So let's continue now. Thanks once again for subscribing. So let's continue. So the next thing now is for me. Now I've already copied my server port. So server port is server is the rest.geonix, but while port is the 10,000. So I'm going to be copying the user and password. So let's say just for me to click on authenticate settings, click on enable authenticate, put the user, there's the username and the password. So let me just mark the last one is the password. You understand? The last one is the password. So I'm going to copy and paste. So here's the password. So and then there is all. So the next I'm going to do is just to connect. So I'll be connecting it. So it's connecting. So never. So don't worry. So I'll start. Let me drag it down. So the VPN is set up. So let's see, let's test. Maybe the IP is up. Okay, good. Virgin Media. So you see the ISP we selected was Virgin Media. Amazing. So you can see we select the IP now. So here's a Manchester. Wow, amazing. So let me copy this and go to my command. I'm gonna see the IP. That is a good IP. So let's see the score first. Let's see the first score. So let's see. Wow, amazing. So first score. Wow, amazing. So this IP is a good IP. So this is how to set up your proxy. Understand? IP to IP dot. Let's see. So there are many ways we check. We do an in-depth analysis. Let's confirm your IPs. Wow, this is amazing. Trade 0. Wow, trust score 100. Wow, amazing. So These are to go about doing your in-depth analysis, you understand? So I also do that for Node Marvin's Proxy so that you can check out and know, okay, you can see here, oh, this is amazing, 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 this is amazing. So we can see, so you can see, oh, this is amazing, this is amazing. Quickly and false, wow. So these are to do your setup. So in case you feel like you want to do setup, you want to buy a proxy, you get a proxy. So I think that is all for setting up of your this and Tun2Tap.